Good day learners, I am Ankudiman and in today's video I am continuing the video series on sheet metal fundamental and this is part 3 of the video series, and in this video I will be going through the following topics. First one is the thickness. Is a These are sheet metal parameters. First one is the thickness and second one is the K factor and third one is the bend table and fourth is band allowance as well as band deductions. And the first parameters is the K factor, and K factor theoretically is given by distance of neutral axis from the inside surface divided by material thickness, as in symbolic K is equals to small t divided by capital T, where small t symbolizes for distance from inside band surface to neutral axis, and capital T is the total sheet thickness. As you can see, this is the neutral axis, and neutral axis is nothing but the line where no compression or extension happens. See, when the sheet metal is bent, it gets compressed in this region and gets extended in this region. So, a neutral axis is a line where no compression or extension happens, and small t is distance of that neutral axis from the inside surface, and capital T is the very well aware thickness. And another parameter is the bend radius. Bend radius is nothing but the circular radius of the band formed after bending the sheet metal, and it is the radius of that inside circle, and it is symbolized as capital R. And band angle is the angle between the two faces of the sheet inside of the sheet metal, and this is formed when the tool is pressed the sheet metal, which is formed after bending, and it is the given by alpha. Now bend allowance is the another common parameters used in the sheet metal flat length calculation, and it is the length of the arc of the neutral axis in the bent portion and of a sheet metal part, and VA is equals to alpha multiplied by R plus KT equals to pi into alpha divided by 180 into R plus KT, where R is the inside radius of the band and alpha is the band angle and K is the K factor and T is the thickness of the material. As you can see in the note, length of the yellow highlighted arc is called bend allowance. As you can see, this is in the blue color. This bend portion is the length of the bend allowance. Is called length of this yellow portion is called bend allowance. This thing. Next is the bend deduction. Bend deduction is the amount by which the total length of the two flanges is reduced to obtain the correct flat length of a sheet metal part, and it is given by BD equals to 2 into R plus T into tan alpha by 2 minus BA, and BA is bend allowance. It is given by pi into alpha divided by 180 into R plus KT, where R is band radius, alpha is the band angle, and K is the K factor, and T is the sheet thickness. Now, final parameter is flat length calculation. It is the actual flat that needs to be cut before bending a sheet metal part, and it is the actual length of that flat sheet metal that will be cut, and after the bending the actual part, as you can see in the image, will be formed, and length of this face to this tangent point of this circle is called flange 1, and from this tangent point to this edge is flange 2, and flat length is given by flange length 1 plus flange length 2 minus bend deduction. And bend deduction, as explained in the earlier slides, it was given by these two formulas. Bd equals 2 into r plus t tan alpha by 2 minus ba, and ba equals pi into alpha divided by 180 into r plus kt, where r is the bend radius and k is the k factor and k is the thickness. That's it in this video. I will stop here and also request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. If you're liking, then do not forget to share. And in the next video, I will be discussing the basic sheet metal part in the SolidWorks software. I will take you to the SolidWorks where I will explain you a basic part design, actually how the part is created in the SolidWorks software, and this will be discussing the concept like base flange, edge flange, and corner relief. Till then, stay tuned to my channel and keep watching my videos. And do not forget to share your questions in the comments, and also tell me on which topics you think I should speak or make content on. I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.